Bald Eagles by Anne Francis. Have you seen bald eagles soaring in the sky or sitting in a tree and wondered more about them? Did you know the nest of the bald eagle is the largest nest in America? Some weigh as much as a baby elephant. You might be surprised to learn that baby eagles stay in their nests for about 70 days before they start learning to fly. With powerful wings, bald eagles fly very fast. Their wings can stretch out to 7 feet, about the size of a bed in your house. Adult bald eagles have gold beaks, talons, and eyes. Even though their eyes are small, they are 4 times stronger than yours. Did you notice that the bald eagle is not really bald? Their heads are covered with lots of white feathers. Bald eagle feathers are different shapes and sizes. Can you count to 7,000? An eagle has that many feathers. Strong talons are important for helping eagles catch their food. They are able to pick up a heavy fish and fly away with it. Now that you know about bald eagles, look for them when you are outside. Maybe you will see one sitting in a tree or soaring overhead. Find books that compare eagles with other birds. Talk about how it would feel to live in a nest.